Hi guys, let's make this simple talk together in just 2 minutes. So firstly, you're wrapping your scarf around and then bring it up this way. As you can see, make sure it's tight. Okay. Now we're going to tie. This is the first one, and then you're going to knot it again. Tie it for the second time. And then I just properly allow the lace to fall. So this is it.
Come and learn some life. Yeah.
Let me make it safe for you.